Exodus Web Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Exodus Web Wallet app is one of the most popular names in crypto, and for good reason. But with so many wallets now offering web features, is Exodus still ahead of the pack? Let's explore the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, the Exodus Web Wallet combines ease of use with powerful DeFi functionality. Known for its visually stunning interface, it allows users to store, send, receive, and swap hundreds of cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains, all in one unified dashboard. The biggest update is its Web integration. This means you can now directly connect to decentralized apps, NFTs and DeFi platforms on Ethereum and Solana without leaving Exodus. Most people get this wrong, but the Web wallet is separate from the desktop version. It's built specifically for browser use and direct blockchain interaction. Another major pro is security. Exodus is non-custodial, so your private keys and data remain fully under your control. It doesn't require sign-ups, and you can easily pair it with a Trezor hardware wallet for maximum protection. It also supports cross-chains ops and staking, letting you earn passive income on assets like Solana, Algorand, and Cardano. And because Exodus focuses heavily on user experience, it's one of the best choices for beginners who want to step into the Web world without the technical hassle. Now for the cons. One key drawback is that Exodus still isn't open source. While parts of its code are public, full transparency is missing, which some in the crypto community view as a concern. Another con is fees. Built-in exchange convenience comes with slightly higher transaction fees than what you'd find using a dedicated DEX. And while the Web wallet is powerful, its browser support is currently limited to Chrome and Brave, meaning other users might have to wait for full compatibility. In summary, the Exodus Web Wallet app blends beauty, security, and functionality like few others. It's ideal for anyone looking to explore decentralized finance with confidence and style. It may not be perfect, but as far as wallets go, Exodus remains one of the most user-friendly and trusted gateways into the decentralized future.